Automatic vacuum nitrogen flushing sealing, milk powder can sealing machine. Automated control and operation to improve production efficiency and save labor costs. The can lid joint control device. When the can body enters, the corresponding cover is provided. If there is no can, there is no cover. This equipment is suitable for all kinds of round opening template cans, aluminum cans, plastic cans. First vacuum, then nitrogen, and finally sealed. The residual oxygen content is less than 3%, effectively extending the shelf life of the product and improving product quality. Ideal for food, pharmaceutical and other industries.